And here's one that's done. Listen to this. See a nice good hard crunch on it. And we're serving ours with tartar sauce.
Bakerman grew up in New England. Today, he is making one of his favorite appetizers, Rhode Island Clam Cakes. He begins with the batter ingredients. He combines flour, white cornmeal, and powdered milk into a mixing bowl. He then adds 1 can of minced clams, including the clam juice.
And you mix it up. You want a nice thick batter. Have a little more water in there. Nice and thick, almost like a bread dough. Mix it around so you get all the flour to absorb the water. Gonna give it a few minutes to absorb that water and hydrate. So you can see that that's getting there. It's 330. You want it at about 365 when you put these in. See that? There you go. That's what you want. You can see that dropping right in there. It's still thick. That's a good consistency. There you go, 365. Turn the burner down a notch. Make yourself a nice ball like that. And just drop it in. Make yourself a nice heaping spoonful. There you go. Let's see if I can get any more in there. I probably can. Let's check the temperature, make sure we're doing okay. Yep, pretty close to 350. I'm going to get another one in there right there. Takes care of that. Yeah, these clam cakes, I grew up near Rhode Island, and we used to go down by the ocean and get these. It was the only place we could get them, and it was near Rhode Island. And they're a specialty to that area. And you can see they're getting golden brown, the first ones we put in. I think I'm going to take one of these out and cut it in half to make sure it's done. It looks done. It's fully cooked all the way through. And here's one that's done. Listen to this. See a nice good hard crunch on it. And we're serving ours with tartar sauce, or you could use a red cocktail sauce. So we're gonna go eat these now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.